The steel barb cable tie's ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Stainless steel mechanism can improve tensile strength performance by over 50% on average. Cable ties must eliminate stress points and reduce friction and wear. Easy grip in tight spaces, low light, or with gloves. Easy threading. Reduces installation effort by over 40% on average. Steel barb cable ties, which offer fast installation, precise locking, tough hold, and longer lives, helping you and your team achieve more efficient cable installations with less effort. As automation, digital manufacturing, smart factories, and other modern manufacturing methods become increasingly prevalent, the need to respond quickly, flexibly, and agilely to changing consumer demands has risen. The steel barb cable ties have passed performance tests in accordance with UL standards, threading and tightening force tests, salt spray tests, high and low temperature tests, and have obtained CE, REACH, RoHS test reports. Choose safety, choose efficiency, choose Giantlok.